I just cried. Fuck. Ooh, the forehead is flourishing, guys. Oh my gosh.
Oh, fuck! You stay. I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey guys, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you, and I look like I'm looking at myself in the mirror and trying to figure out how I look. I look a mess. How about we say that? Let's keep it generic in general. I look a mess. Okay. Ooh, the forehead is flourishing. So I'm going to be doing a full face, and the star of the show is that cute little wig hanging over there. Yes, I have it over there. That cute little wig is going to be the star of the show. It's going to be a chit-chat get ready with me, but not really chit-chat because I'm just gonna get ready and y'all just gonna watch me get ready and y'all gonna like it, okay? So let's get cute. As you can see, I'm back in my childhood home. You're gonna be seeing a lot of videos in here because I'm here for the rest of the year because of Rona, and a video about traveling during Rona season will be soon. It's coming, just know. And I'm really excited for this video. Okay, we have color corrected. So my mom gave me this Chanel foundation. One, I love the smell of it. Two, it is amazing. I literally use it on special occasions, and I guess today's a special occasion because I'm using it, but I have so many different foundations that I have. I have this Dior one. I think that's for my mom as well, but this Chanel foundation is glorious. It blends into the skin so nicely. It doesn't dry too fast. Like everything about this is beautiful. I don't know why. Yes, actually, let me tell you why I'm getting cute. I, for one, do not get cute for random because for the main fact that I don't like wasting my makeup. I'm a cheapo, okay? So that is why a lot of my videos I'm just barefaced because I can't be bothered, and it takes me 2 hours to do my makeup. Full glam. So today, yesterday I was supposed to get ready because we had people over and I was so excited. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get cute, I'm gonna get cute. And the whole day I spent finishing my 3-part project because I'm a really good procrastinator. I'm taking summer classes. So I'm like, I'll make it up for myself tomorrow. So it's not wasting because I would have done this yesterday, right? Anyway, we're using the Chanel foundation, and you guys will see this thing is beautiful. Blends like a dream. Also, how do you guys apply your foundation? I dot mine and then I blend it. Do you guys just go into it and blend it? Do you guys use a brush? Do you use a sponge? I think sponges suck, and I don't know how people use it. I feel like it just takes off my foundation. Sorry about it. I color correct, so I feel like it just takes all the work underneath off, and I'm not here for it. This foundation, literally, when you put it on, it feels luxurious. I love it. I don't know how much this foundation really is, but I'm sure it will break my bank because it's Chanel, but it literally is amazing. It's luxurious. Put on your face. After foundation, we obviously go conceal, and I'm going back and forth between if I want to use my regular concealers I've been using, or if I want to try something new and try this Boing concealer. I've not really tried it before. Kind of tried it, but not really. It's in it's in number 6. It says no, y'all. So I think I'm gonna try it, but I'm nervous because I usually just use my LA Pro concealers, but I guess we're gonna try this today. Let's see how it goes. I guess today's a good trial and error. Okay, so this is how we're concealing today. I'm going to be taking a little bit of this extra and put it in the middle. I saw someone do this, and I love making use of my lighter concealers. Okay, but look, I don't understand. I hate this new trick, and I'm not doing it again. Yeah, this concealer hack, it's a no for me. I like my face looking bright in the center, and it's just boring. So hopefully powder can fix that. Okay, we're gonna do the whole eyelash extension thing, putting your lashes underneath your lash line. I tried this once, it looked really good, but I didn't wear it because I was putting mascara on them and they ripped off. So I was like, I'm not doing it. It was too much work. And it was really annoying. So I'm gonna try it again, but this time, let's hope it stays on. And I already put mascara on before, so I'm not gonna put mascara on the lash. It's not painful, but it's just tedious. And I'm sure it's not tedious if you just get the hang of it. I don't have the hang of it right now. It's tacky, and I lift my eye up. This is really hard with eyeshadow on, but we're gonna make it work. I just cried, fuck. Guys, oh my gosh. The inner corner's having some trouble, but we're gonna get it. And it's off. This is why this stuff sucks. I'm going to keep trying until I get it on. Round 2. You guys, I got it on and it looks so pretty. We got the face done. Now we're gonna put, my head looks crazy under this, so bear with me. I did all these little braids yesterday and we're gonna put a wig on. And I'm excited. I've never put a wig on, guys. First time. Revamp video I did this wig. I just think this wig is gonna look really ugly on me. But let's try it. Okay. For one, I absolutely hate middle parts on me, so. Okay, I have a feeling this is gonna look. Oh my god. So it's pretty blunt. Okay, it's not blunt cut at all, but it's just makes me feel like rock on. But I think I am going to curl it. I straightened it, but I think curling it might actually add way better definition into this hair. And I am very stuck that middle parts are not for me. My mom said it might look better if I do this. It looks so stupid, but I have nothing to do anyway, so I'm just playing around. I think the one thing that is making this look weird is that there's no like dimension in the front. This should be cut and stuff, but I'm scared to cut the hair, so I'm not going to. I curled it and then I just took the curls out because again, I'm scared to, so I'm not going to. We got the hair shush. How do you guys feel? Okay, not like that. It doesn't look too bad, I guess, but I don't know. If I play with it more, I will show you guys, of course, but for now, this is how it looks. But I think that's the end of this video. Thanks for getting ready with me. I look like Kyle. Like, I look like a headbanger, I feel like. Let me know what you think. I'm also not a middle part. This is the first time I've ever had a middle part, so I think that's something I'd have to get used to as well. But that is this face. Let me know what you think. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video so much. New videos coming on the way. I'm still thinking if I want to do Monday and Fridays or just all 3 and just overwhelm myself. I don't know. I'm still doing online classes and I don't know. But I have so many video ideas, just executing them sometimes is hard for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. It's been a minute and I love you guys. It's been a minute since I've done like a real get rid of me. But thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble and remember, self-love is the best love and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye guys. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.